Are you guys excited for the new Mavic Air? I know it's been out for a few months, but I finally got my hands on it. My name is Katie and welcome to today's video. So today I'll be discussing the new Mavic Air 2, which is pretty cool. It did come with this awesome bag, including, well, try and open that remote, which is awesome, and I'll be discussing them shortly. Okay guys, so as you can see here, I've got the Mavic Air 2. All you have to do to turn it on is just hold it in for a couple of times and then it should start twice. There you go, start ticking. Oh, better open that. Just to show you guys, I'm not going to slide inside. Down, as you can see, and then you can also expand the propellers like so. Oh. Anyway, I won't do that inside, just as you can see. Yep, full battery charged. So I'll just turn that off, just to show you guys. It also comes with this awesome cap, just to protect the camera. And turn off 3, 2, 1. So the battery that came with this, I did select the Mavic Air combo, which came with a case, 3 batteries, which is pretty awesome. Roughly, I think it takes 30 minutes to an hour to charge. Comment down below in the description how long that actually does take. But if you're a novice and you're wanting to start with drones, I did start off with a Spark, which was really cool over the past 3 years, just learning how to use that. And I will make a comparison video, I might link it in this video, with the Spark compared to the Mavic Air 2. Now another fantastic thing about the Mavic is, of course, this. Wait, so you just pop that out. At the top is the remote. Now you can easily just pop your phone in there. I won't do that because my case is on. It's a bit bulky, but you can easily pop that in there and plug it in at like so. So what I've just done is plugged in the iPhone 11 just into the remote controller. Yes, it is pretty thick. It's easy to control if you have 2 hands like so. Just, yeah, like that, which is really good, and you can just connect it that way. Now, there is a separate app that you have to go through. So compared to the DJI Go app, as you can see, you can just see that. So previously I've been flying my little Spark, which is in my office. But instead of using that one, you've got this new DJI. So instead you've got this new DJI Fly app. So just there, I don't know if you can see that. Just select, oh wait, so we just select here. And there you go. So start a new flight pattern, connect to the aircraft, So there you can connect to the aircraft, which is the Mavic. So you have to have it turned on at the same time. I'm sure you guys have watched instructional videos of how to start that. So just select the Mavic Air 2, or you have the choice between the Mavic Mini, which is also provided on the screen. Just there you go, connect the remote and just follow the prompts like that, and it will, so just follow the prompts like that, as so, and yeah, just read the instructions and you should be fine, and you should be able to connect your Mavic Air 2, which is really good. So since I've only just got my hands on the drone, I've only taken it up a small handful of times. But I will show you guys the footage that I have collected, and it's pretty sweet. I am learning at the same time, but the drone itself is pretty fantastic, especially when you're looking up towards the sky and the horizon and just seeing your surroundings. At the same time, I did a 360 video shot sort of thing. Just looking around the surrounding farms, the land, it's just gorgeous, and also the sunset in the background. Yeah, so I'll just let you guys have a quick look at that and in the next shot. Phenomenal just watching that video, and I hope you guys have enjoyed. So if you guys want a more in-depth video on how to connect your drone and just starting up as well, I'll make a short video of that. Leave me also, don't forget to comment down below, do you guys have a drone? Do you have one of DJI's previous Phantoms, or is it a Mavic or a Spark? I definitely would recommend the Spark, especially if you're just starting. If you're a beginner, it's just really lovely to use and great for selfies as well. And yeah, let me know, are you guys filmmakers too, artists, and are you guys interested in drone photography? I'm definitely looking forward to reading your comments. Anyway guys, I'll see you in another video. Okay, bye.